What is Pinterest and how is it working for your business? In this video, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about how Pinterest can work for you and how it can help you grow your business. Hey there, I am Sarah Lawyer, mompreneur, and I love talking about Pinterest. Pinterest is a powerful tool, but most business owners don't think of it as a business tool. And that's why I want to share with you why you should look at Pinterest for your business, how it works, and the best ways you can benefit from it. All right, let's dive in. So what is Pinterest? Pinterest is a visual search tool. So many times when you think of Pinterest, there's like so many entrepreneurs, it's like, I love Pinterest. I go on there and I find my hairstyle, I find my new outfit, I find nails, I find makeup, I find recipes. But think about this. It is a visual search tool for more than just that. But so many times that's all we use it for. That's why I am actually sharing this, because it is such a powerful tool for any type of business out there. This is why. It is the third largest search platform in the world. So we have Google, we have YouTube, and then we have Pinterest. It's a search tool. That's why I want to educate entrepreneurs and business owners on the power of Pinterest, because it is a search tool. Now, of course, you want to continue to make sure you're showing up where your audience is, but why not use another search tool that can help give your business exposure and visibility? And that's why I want to share with you today on how it works now. So the way it works is not only with search terms and keywords, but with visual. So for example, when you're creating a pin, it's going to be a similar size to an Instagram or Facebook story, so longer than it is wide. And this pin is all about the headline, the call to action, and the image. So many times I see business owners putting up their pins images with their branded image. Whenever you do a search on Pinterest, like you can actually do a search with your camera and you put up a picture. It's like, and I actually have this whole training where I did a search for my watch band, and I actually had a picture of my keyboard in the background. So it showed me shopping for keyboards options. So then I narrowed it in. No, I just wanted to focus on the picture on my watch band. Once that watch band was focused in on, then I could actually see these are some more options, these are some other looks, and then I could actually shop right there on the platform. Pinterest is all about sending traffic to the link that you're sharing. They want to send traffic to your website. They want to send traffic to the value that you're sharing. That is the biggest difference between social and Pinterest and with search marketing, is that they want to send people away from their platform because they see the value that you're giving. Now that's also different from, say, YouTube. YouTube, they kind of want you to stay on the platform to keep watching videos. Pinterest is not that way. They're okay that you go off. Now we've covered why Pinterest, we've covered how Pinterest. Let's cover the best ways to use it. So the best ways to use it are to provide what people are looking for. We don't want to just provide anything. Like, oh, you know what? I think I want to share all about what my dog is eating today. I don't know if people are actually searching for that. The image. So the image on the pin doesn't have to be your branded image. So if I were to take a picture of myself right now and put it up on Pinterest, it wouldn't actually show me any more of me. It would show my hairstyle and give me other options. It would show me some makeup and some options, maybe a shirt and some options, but it wouldn't show me my face. It is completely separate. It's not going to show me anything. So if all you're doing on your pin images is showing pictures of you on the image, it's not going to get as much traffic. You want to share images that are going to relate to the person that you're attracting. So for example, you want to show the mood of what this person is. If it's successful, if it's happy, if it's working on a computer, if it's digital marketing, you want to show the image of what your content represents. And that is how you can be successful with your pin images. All right. So now I feel like I've given you quite a good running start, why you should do it and how. Now, before I share the best ways to get started, I want you to go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next one. Because I'm going to be jumping in here on a weekly basis, sharing all my best Pinterest tips. Now I also want to give you the best ways that you can start. So let's go over two scenarios. You are a business owner. You don't have time to learn a new platform. You see the power. You understand that it is all about search, and you want to be able to have that passive income or passive lead generation working behind the scenes. You just don't have the time. That's where I come in. I am a Pinterest strategist and a Pinterest manager. Me and my team will be able to grow your account, share your content out there in a way that will be found, and increase your traffic so that you are now bringing people to your website, capturing their attention, capturing their email address so you continue that relationship. That's option number one. And I'll put a link where you can actually apply for that service. Option number two is you doing it yourself. For many business owners, you may be just starting out. You may be like, I see the power and I want to actually step into this. So what I have for you is actually my Profitable Pinterest Formula course. It is in its early bird prices right now because I'm recording it live. And after I got it recorded live, I'm going to be putting it into this course, and it's going to be chock full of so much value that you will be confident to know that exactly what you need to do to get started on Pinterest, to be successful on Pinterest, and to be found online and explode your business. So that is what I'm offering in my Profitable Pinterest course. Go ahead and watch the Pinterest Masterclass that I shared so you can get the whole details about what it is. And then go ahead and sign up and grab the early bird pricing, because once I have it all in there, the price is going to go up. All right, so that is it for today. I hope you got value from it. Go ahead and let me know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.